motor moves and it makes the fly.
Wow. So you use the IR sensor. When you touch the IR sensor, it moves, huh?
Yes.
Good. So how about you take your finger off? Wow. Great.
When something is not touching the IR sensor, the motor doesn't move, so the repeller doesn't move.
I see. Great job. Thank you.
I made an RC helicopter, but it doesn't fly because we need like stronger motors and lighter make this lighter. So then I have to point the remote control to the remote control receiver, which is right here. So it's pretty much like this. This is a helicopter, which also transforms into a robot. Okay.